Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be learning how to use the Photoworks Render Wizard. Let's activate it. The Render Wizard welcome window opens. SOLIDWORKS lets us know that the wizard will guide us through the steps of rendering a photorealistic image of the current model. The 3 steps are listed here in bullet form. Select an appearance, then a scene, and then render the image to the screen. Let's click Next to move on. First, we're going to select a material. I'm going to stick with wood. Unfinished yellow birch. Accept and Next. Now let's select Backdrop Studio Room, Apply, and Next. After I click Finish, SOLIDWORKS will start the rendering process. And there's our progress window. And it's complete. And here is our model rendered, quick and of pretty high quality. This concludes our lesson about the Render Wizard.